Hi, this is Freddie Thomas with Keller Williams Premier Properties. I am here with my good friend Glen Marino with First Centennial Mortgage. The previous week we talked about how to get cash as gift for your down payment assistance, and today we are going to look at what are the lenders looking in your bank statements, or why are they so nosy about your bank statements. Glen, as a lender, what would you look when you are asking for bank statement? What are the items you're looking in those bank statements? Could you please explain?
Great question. When we ask people for bank statements, we're asking for the last 2 months worth of bank statements. We're looking for several things. The first thing that we're looking for is NSF checks or bounce checks. It's a credit characterization. We're trying to find out, did somebody pay their bills on time? Do they have enough money in their bank account? Or is this somebody that we see that in the last 2 months is chronically writing checks, bouncing checks, writing checks, bouncing checks? Might they be doing the very same thing if we give them a mortgage loan? Would they bounce the check on the mortgage payment?
Okay.
The second thing that we're looking for is large deposits. And what I mean by that is large non-payroll deposits. We know that we should see in everybody's bank statement that they get paid typically twice a month, the paycheck. And it's usually a descriptors on the bank statement, the name of the employer and the net amount of the payroll deposit. Perfectly fine. In fact, that helps verify the amount of income that they put into the application. But what we're looking for is non-payroll deposits. All of a sudden there's a $3,000, a $5,000 deposit. Well, what is it? Is it a credit card advance? Well, then if so, we need to see that we have to add that then to their loan application and increase the monthly minimum payment on the credit card. Is it an unsecured loan that they didn't tell us about, that they just recently took out? Could it be that they just sold a car? Got $5,000 that they sold a car. So it could be a gift from a blood relative like we talked about in previous videos. So what we're looking for is to document any large deposits, because what we want to make sure is that there's no new loans out there, that there's no new advances on credit cards. If it is that you sold an asset like a car, if it is a gift, we want to see the bill of sale, we want to see, if it's a gift, we want to see the gift letter, we want to see the documentation regarding the gift. So that's the second thing. We're looking for non-payroll large deposits and document those. The third thing that we're looking for is if there's payments being made to either individuals or to companies that are not in the credit report. So again, for example, if somebody were making a $1,000 a month payment to the XYZ company, well, is that, what is that? Is that for a new car loan? Is that for an unsecured loan? So we're looking for not only the deposits, but we're looking for unusual, repetitive payments that are coming out of that bank statement. So in summary, we're looking for those NSFs, we're looking for large non-payroll deposits, and we're looking for payments being made to individuals that are not in the credit report.
Hey Glen, I have a question for you. What advice would you give our clients, let's say they want to show more money in their bank statement and they are not able to document it? Are they able to apply for a loan, or what kind of advice would you give them?
So Freddie, if say somebody were to make a cash deposit, and cash deposits you can't verify. It's not like there's a canceled check behind it. It's just they had cash maybe sitting at home under the pillow, in the mattress, wherever they kept it, but now they're going to take it out and they're going to put it into their bank account. They can still apply for a loan, but they're going to have to at least wait 60 days before they're going to apply and send us the documentation. Meaning that, let's say somebody had a $1,000 balance and now they put $3,000 of cash deposit into their account, now they have $4,000. Any type of undocumented deposit, the underwriter will subtract it from their balance on their bank account. So if it's a $4,000 balance, $3,000 can't be documented, minus $3,000 from $4,000. They're now down to $1,000 in the eyes of the mortgage lender, the mortgage underwriter. So their best advice that we can give them is, if you can't document it, put it into your account, put it in your bank statement, and then wait 2 full bank statements where you don't have any large, unusual deposits, and then make application. So Freddie, if people will just give us 2 months worth of bank statements, document anything that's not a payroll deposit, they should have absolutely no problem with getting their loan approved. And once they do, and once they come to us and get pre-approved, how can they reach you? How can they get a hold of you because they want to go out and find their dream home?
So if they want to reach us, or if you need to know more about this, you could call me at 630-344-9715 or email me at buyandtosell@gmail.com. And Glenn, if they would like to get hold of you to apply for a loan or get more about this mortgage payments, how would they contact you?
You can contact me. I'm part of Freddie's team. You can contact Glen Marino. My phone number is going to be 630-788-7859. And my email address is going to be g.marino@gofcm.com. Well, we appreciate them being here today.
Thank you very much. If you like these tips, please like and subscribe to these videos, and you will be notified of more tips to come during the coming weeks. Thank you.